Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you how to use AI to analyze your data. Remember that AI has come to make our work easy and also come to facilitate our work and save time. We'll be using Microsoft Copilot. Please go to the comment section there and click. You can use your browser, whether Chrome or Google, to search for Microsoft Copilot. I'll just show you step by step how you can input data or upload data into the system and then allow the system do the magic for you. But of course, there are some gaps when you work with AI. The machines are still learning. That is why you have to be very careful. Each time AI does an operation, make sure you cross-check to ensure that it is matching up. Let's jump in so I show you what I mean. So what we want to do here, we want to use Microsoft Copilot to analyze this data. Okay, so under Microsoft Copilot we have best every conversation, think deeper, smart chat GPT-5, deep research, and then action of hand off every task. So we want to choose this action, so we want to give it a task. Okay, and the task we want to give Microsoft Copilot here is that we want to tell Microsoft Copilot that we have organization name in column A, have boys, number of boys in column B, and number of girls in column E, and then Microsoft Copilot should analyze this data for us and tell us what each organization reach in terms of boys and girls. So we already started giving a prompt, and the prompt says in column A I have organization name, and in column B, no, column D, I have number of boys. And in column E, I have number of girls. I want an analysis comparing what each organization has reached as per boys and girls. So this might not be a proper prompt, okay, but just know that AI works as best as you put the prompt and as specific as you put the prompt. So I just want to make this very natural. So you see, I want to be doing some errors. So you see if there are errors, you see the errors by yourself, and you can be updating and also learning, and also learning how AI works. Okay. So here we say in column A I have organization name, and in column D I have number of boys, and in column E I have number of girls. I want an analysis comparing what each organization has reached as per boys and girls. Okay, and then I will just come in here. I'll copy this data. Permit me to copy this as a Control C, and I delete the data, and then I come here. I want to, it says new, let me see. So here quick response, and then I want to upload a file. Okay, I want to upload a file, and this file here is called, it's on my desktop here. It is called data, I think. I'll click on my desktop, and then I click to see, I select that file. Good. So this is the file that is open here. We just saw the file, and I'll just Control C, and I copy the prompts that we made, and then I'll click enter. Okay, so we want this Microsoft to analyze this document, this Excel file here. So Microsoft Copilot is analyzing and planning, analysis and comparing each organization by name, number of boys and number of girls. So this is how you can use AI to help you do your work so far as data is concerned. Okay, you see, so you see what it's doing now. It says UN agencies, total boys this, total girls this, international organization, total boys this, total girls this. Observation, international organization also reach more girls than boys through the gap is smaller. Now national organizations, total boys this, total girls this. You see, key insight, across organization types girls were reached more than boys. Now national organization had a twist, a wide, so widest reach followed by international organizations and UN agencies. The trend suggests a consistent prioritization and accessibility for girls across sectors. Would you like to like a visual chart to go along with this analysis, or break down by activity type? Education wash. Are you seeing now? So we are communicating now with Microsoft Copilot. So it says, can you break it down by each organization? What trend should I look for in this data? How can I visualize this data effectively? I will click this one. So now we are communicating, we are engaging with AI. AI is telling us what is the step forward and how is it going, and so on and so forth. Okay, to have Microsoft Copilot, I'm going to put the link on my description level on my video. So from there you can see it, and then also go ahead and try some of these. So it says prepare your data like this. Select the data, then go to insert column, bar chart, cluster column. Okay, Excel will generate side-by-side bars for boys and girls under the organization. So you see, so it's giving us a tips on how to start creating visualizations. Okay, so if you follow these tips, you are going to create visualizations and also build your data in a more amazing way. So if you want to highlight the gender gap, you could also use the stack column chart or the percentage bar chart to show proportions. You see, so this is how we can analyze our data using a Microsoft Copilot. So if you look at here, our sheet is still here. You can keep asking questions. It is going to be giving you, if you want percentages, if you want averages, it's going to keep giving you, and so on and so forth. So let's try something, guys. Yes, so one thing you have to understand with AI, the machines are still learning. Okay, in some areas they're effective, in some areas they have gaps. So this is one of the gaps that we have here. You see that national organizations, we have total boys 2,259, okay, and we have total girls 2,740. But now look at our data. When we come and do our checks here, you saw that boys, it got the boys correctly because it says 2,259, but the girls now it got it wrongly because here we have 2,640, but there is 2,740 because we have just done our count if in order to do to confirm, because always come back to your main data and compare and see whether AI is giving the accurate number. Okay, but of course you see that AI will do the work for you and already start giving you a glimpse of how you have to go about it. Okay, it's very important. You can see here it gives us how we have to go about it in terms of visualization. So this is very important as you work with AI. So Microsoft Copilot can do a lot for you. So this is the free version. Another thing you should think, this is the free version of Microsoft Copilot. If you buy the subscription version, which comes with a whole pack with Microsoft 365, there it will be more accurate and more effective. So this is just for you to start learning how to use it. So when you get to buy the original version, you are going to be more effective so far as data is concerned. Thank you so much.